Physics are a part of our everyday lives. Everywhere you go, you see physics. Like, take this day, for instance. It may not have been the best one, but there sure was a lot of physics involved. Take this scene, for instance. It may just look like a man starting up his bike, but there is some friction involved. It is known as static friction. Static friction is the friction involved when something is started up. As the boy crashes his bike into the pole, one of Newton's laws of motion is involved. The pole acts as an unbalanced force. See, the law of motion I'm referring to is something remains in motion unless an unbalanced force acts upon it to stop it. In this case, the pole stops the boy on his bike. The bike thief is the other unbalanced force which gets the bike moving. Fluid friction is the type of friction used to describe something that is cutting through a liquid or a gas. As you can see, the boy is cutting through a pretty good amount of air. The other type of friction you see as the boy falls off his bike is rolling, which involves one object rolling over another object. The other type of friction you see as the boy falls off is sliding friction, which involves two objects sliding against each other. The boy frantically chases after the bike thief on a scooter. He has to put out a lot more acceleration than the bike thief, mainly because his scooter is a lot smaller than the bike thief's bike. And one of Newton's laws of physics is force equals mass times acceleration. Another one of Newton's laws of motion you see here is when you exert force on an object, it exerts an equal or greater force back. Now enjoy this old timer music, cause you know I will. You know I will. You know I will. You know